My name is Allan. A very warm welcome to Festool TV. The TDC is a powerhouse of a drill driver. It is robust and ergonomic, beautifully balanced with excellent safety features. T for T-shape, D is for drill drive, and C for cordless. Another option is the TPC. P is for percussion action masonry drilling, which is this function here. The TDC does not have the percussion option. It is a pure drill driver. Otherwise, they have the same features. The TDC delivers a huge amount of power with great endurance, thanks to the combination of the Festool 18-volt lithium-ion battery platform and the brushless motor. The power is delivered through a 4-speed gearbox, giving you the option to set the perfect speed and power balance for the application. You can go from first gear for slower speed but massive power, or select second or third gear, or fourth gear for much faster drilling or driving but with less power delivery. With the option of 4 gears, you can be maximally efficient at a wide range of applications. The gear selector is fluid and it is very easy to quickly select the right gear. At the back of the drill, to adjust the torque, is the dial. Here we have good visibility of the settings with nice positive scrolling between 1 and 13. And this is where you can also adjust the light settings. Through the precise trigger, you have total control of all the power and torque. There is a good pit holder on both sides, out the way with lots of storage, and the sturdy belt clip can be fitted to either side of the drill. Safety features are standard on the TDC. If you drill through live electric wires, the TDC is completely insulated, protecting you from electric shock. The auxiliary handle has a second safety catch to help ensure you have control on more demanding applications. Kickback Stop is constantly monitoring for sudden snatching or snagging of the drill. These sensors will instantly stop the drill, helping to reduce injury. The FastFix system offers very quick change of either a 1/4 inch driver bit, fits straight in, nice for working in confined areas. The Festool CENTROTEC chuck and all metal keyless chuck is supplied as standard. Or the 3/8 socket driver, the depth control chuck, the redesigned angled and eccentric adapters, even the older generation adapters will fit the TDC. The TDC is a 4-speed powerhouse drill driver, packed with safety features, designed in a perfectly balanced ergonomic package that is compatible with a wide range of chucks and adapters, making it the superb choice as your #1 go-to drill driver. My name is Allan. Thank you for watching Festool TV.